guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today is the 14th of March, or it's the 13th, siko sure. I think it's 14th, but today is the third day of Ramadhan. Nando nimetoka shule. Nimetoka kubeba maji, that's why I breathe hivo. So yeah, nataka kwenda kufua. Being a Wednesday na hiyo ndio siku tunachotanga maji, ndo nataka kwenda kufua. So I wanted to talk to you guys kwanza and then niende kufua. But yeah, so welcome back to my channel. By the way, when you have just subscribed, please subscribe. Please hit the notification button or bell. Ndio niki-upload video, you just get a notification nime-upload. Yeah, so wacha nikaanze kufua. See you guys later. Good afternoon guys. So it's like 3 ndo nimemaliza kufua. Yeah, and I wanted to talk to you guys, niwaonyeshe what I'm making for Iftar. Yeah, so nimetoka kutoa mbaazi kwa pressure cooker. I'm making mbaazi and mahamri. Mbaazi za coconut. In Kiswahili imekata kukuja, but yeah. So wacha niwaonyeshe hizo mbaazi vile zinakaa after being boiled, and I'll show you maybe the process. Kama sitaonyesha process, ndaonyesha vile litokea. I'm trying to make a reel. By the way, you guys, nilishawaambia mwende muka subscribe, not subscribe, and then mnifollow TikTok and Instagram. Yeah, juu huko ndio mostly na upload recipes. So yeah.
Everyone comes again, I testify of you. I told her like you never type me when all that I'm around you kidding. I'm not, as long as you joking, now answer me. I ain't got it, promise, you ain't doing. I do bodies, as long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody like you do. You know. In the drop top ride with you, I feel like Scarface. If that white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. This place is argument back up to my place. Sex from you, I'm not violent on your C1. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Last never stick a hole when you nodding. Ain't a hole when you nodding. Hard to call when you're nodding. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't. Every night, talking sweet and looking fine. I get kinda hectic inside. Baby, I'm so into you. Darling, if you only knew.
Good morning guys, today is on Thursday. Nimeshatoka shule, nimeenda this place inaitwa Duka in Westland. So ndio natembea, but I just arrived. Nimearrive tu sahi, taijakawia. So yeah, that's where I'm headed.
All the things that flow through my mind, but it's just a sweet, sweet fantasy, man. When I close my eyes.
Wanashuka hiyo. Wanashuka hiyo. Kuja madam, kuja. Wanashuka hiyo. Paka watu washuke bwana. Kuja hapa kadi naenda bwana. Kuja sasa. Wanashuka hiyo. Ndio hiyo hali hiyo.
Good morning guys. So today is on Friday. Ndio naelekea shule. I know kuko na giza, but it's 6 something. I think it's 6:20. Yeah, so ndio natembea kienda shule. And I remembered guys, by the way, today is the 5th day of Ramadan. So yeah, I just wanted to say hi to you guys. And yeah, by the jana nilisahau kurecord recipe, so maybe today or tomorrow. Yeah, I don't know by the way. Unajua saa zingine mtu anaanza kupika so late ama kitu unapika ina take so long, so mtu hata ana hiyo time ya kushinda kirecord juu pia watu wanafungwa like 6:45 na by your time unakuwa food inafaa kuwa ready. So yeah, but I think nikitoka shule naenda kwa zile shop za keke. I'll take you guys with me because I have an order. So yeah, ndio mimi nimefika. So see you guys later.
Don't say you love me to your friends when they ask you, even though we both know that you do. One time been in love, one time you and all your girls in the club one time.
Hi guys, so ndo nimefika kwa nyumba. Nilikuwa nimeenda Marikiti. I didn't record anything kwa sababu Nairobi kando hiyo maneno, na unajua simu yangu obviously watu wakiniona ni kinini na inaweza enda. Anyways, nilikuwa pia nimeenda kwa zinaitwaje Baska. My cousin had sent me a package, ndio hata nataka kuonyesha kabla nianze kujitayarisha niende mosque. Hii side ingine naona kumefungwa, so sina key. I'll just show you on my bed what I purchased in Marikiti and what my cousin has sent me. Yeah, nasikia hata stima ilikuwa imelost but imerudi, ndio nataka sasa kujitayarisha niende mosque. But first tuendeni niwaonyeshe what I got in Kamkunji, in Marikiti. Hii ingine ndio yenye cousin yangu amenitumia yenye kona jina, but vitu zenye nimebuy Marikiti ndio hizi. Guys, oneni tu easy onions ati for 100. Ziko 7 pieces and I find it very affordable kwa sababu zenye zinauzwa huku ni tudogo. Haya, ginger ilikuwa quarter, I think it was 50 or 30 shillings. And then kulikuwa na garlic, nimebuy 1 piece at 15, but kulikuwa na za 20, but I prefer these ones juu nikimix na nini itakuwa mob. Then niko na vitunguu zingine. Oneni tu guys, hizi vitunguu vile zinakapoa. Hizi sasa zilikuwa za 200, but I am regretting kwa sababu ningebuy za 100 hata 3, but it's fine juu hizi zitatuweka since hii watu wamefunga. Yeah, so wacha nipakizi nionyeshe zenye nilitumia. So here is the second package. So wacha nionyeshe vitu nimetumiwa. Kashata ingine, mabuyu. Guys, oneni tu hizi vitu zote. I think alisahau kunibaya chari, but it's fine kwa sababu anyway niza kubaiwa, but I will really enjoy these things. But sasa nitakula tukishafungua. Ona tu hizi mabuyu zote. I'm so happy. Okay, thanks Steph if you're watching. Thank you so much. So guys, see you later. Maybe afternoon nikitaka kuanza kufikiria what I'm making for Iftar. If not, see you later or tomorrow, because tomorrow I have orders na I will be taking you to decorate with me. So see you later guys. Morning guys. So today is on Saturday. Ndio sijaamka saa hii, niliamka 4:30 kukula suhur or daku. But saa hii ni like 9, ni 9 actually. Yeah. So nilikuwa na bake keki za kesho and I already told you yesterday ati nimebake keki za today, but I didn't have time to decorate with you guys. So sahi nataka kuonyesha zenye nimetoka kubake for tomorrow's orders, na moja hata ni ya leo jioni. So yeah, twendeni nionyeshe keki zenye nimebake and zenye nimedecorate, because okay, sijamaliza kudecorate, I've just iced them. So twendeni.
Also convinced that you're following your heart, cause your mind don't control what it does sometimes. We all have our nights though, don't be so ashamed. I've had mine, you've had yours, we both know, we know. You hate being alone when you ain't the only one. You hate the fact that you bought the dream when they sold you one. And you love your friends, but somebody should've told you something to save you. Instead they say somebody said they saw you. The person you were kissing wasn't me, and I would never ask you. I just kept it to myself. I don't wanna know if you're playing me. Keep it on the low, cause my heart can't take it anymore. And if you're creeping, please don't let it show. Oh baby, I don't wanna know.
Good morning guys. So today is on Monday. It's around 6:10 a.m. Ndio nimefika tao. I'm headed to school. Yeah, so I wanted to say hi to you guys because we don't have lights at home. Hakuwa na stima, zilipotea on Saturday, but yeah, sijui kama zitarudi leo. I'm so sad because I am not vlogging, and also yeah, twendeni guys, niko so mad. Imagine mtu wa kutrust with your cake orders, because I bake cakes you guys have seen before. Imagine, and then stima ipotee, and then haijarudi. I'm really mad kwa sababu tunalipa stima and you guys hata mnajifanya like it's not an issue. Imagine kutoka Saturday, okay, maybe hawa work on Sunday, I get it, but we are paying customers. Wallahi mi sielewi Kenya Power. How many times have you guys heard about history ya stima? It's like every vlog niki-upload lazima niseme story ya stima, and it's pissing me the F off. You know why? Because mbona tuna stima and then it's just a small area. Niko like, what is happening here? Kwani stima lazima ipote every week? Yeah, so that's what I was wondering. But anyways, simu yangu hata haina moto, iko like 50 something %, na hiyo ndo natumia kuvlog. So I don't know if I'll vlog kama stima ijarudi, but yeah, see you guys later because hata nishafika shule. Guys, so today is on not on Monday. Today is on Wednesday, the 20th of March. Yeah, I wanted to say hi to you guys. My hand is really shaking. Sijui ni nini shida. Yeah, so stima zilisharudi, good news. And yeah, I have nothing to say by the way. I wanted just to talk to you guys about some candy I bought at 99 Mart. Iko located on Chaka Road. I think pia hiyo place inaitwa Chaka Mall. I wanted to plug you guys. Mmeshai kula hizi Mabuyu's sweets. Tuonyesha like the actual video later kwa sababu sahi inaonyesha the opposite side. So yeah, I wanted to plug you. By the way, I'm working with 99 Mart over on Instagram and TikTok. Na wako na great deals and offers. I also keep reminding you guys, mwende mni support to like, share and comment on the reels that I post. So yeah, I have no plans today, so sidhani nitakuwa nikivlog, but maybe nitavlog. I don't know, but my right hand ina shake, so siwezi shikilia like simu vizuri. Yeah, so let me think about it. Kama nitakuwa na anything to do, I'll tag you guys, but I don't know, so see you later or tomorrow, but I think later. Tunaweza I don't even have to go for shopping because nilisha buy kila kitu, so I thought nitaenda na nyinyi shopping, but it seems like not. But yeah, maybe niwafilmie recipe or no. So here are the mabuyus. They are like sweets, not actually mabuyu by the way. They're like sweets, and these ones are mango flavor. Yeah, the last time nilibuy, I think zilikuwa tu mabuyu flavor. Hii ni mango flavor. They're so nice. Me, I think unaweza kuwa addicted. They taste exactly like mabuyu. Yeah, so this is what I wanted to show you. Good morning guys. So it's been a long time since I talked to you guys. So today is on Friday. The dates I'm not sure, but ndio naelekea shule. I feel like yesterday nilisema no, yesterday I don't think I talked to you guys. Anyways, yeah, ndio natembea kwenda shule. I don't think I have plans for doing anything today. But yeah, maybe if I'll have anything to do, guys, aki nimekuwa busy, you know, na try to record video for posting every day for the whole month of Ramadan. Yeah, so talk to you guys later. Ndio hata nimefika shule. Good morning guys. So today is on Saturday. It's around 7:15 a.m. Best yangu mwingine alikuwa ameniita niende nimsaidie kudecorate keki. So yeah, ndio nimetoka kushuka mat. Ndio natembea nikuburu. So ndio natembea niende kudecorate hizo keki, then we can go back home. But first nataka kupitia Naivas. Na hata nimetoka huko but nimepata bado hajafungua. So I think wanafunguanga 8. So yeah, acha nikamalize hizo cake orders. And then we can go with you guys to Naivas. Yeah, so see you later. I think take a video nikidecorate hizo keki, I don't know, but let's see about it. Okay, so see you later guys.
Nashinda nikiangalia because I'm looking at this.
Hi guys, so it's later on during the day. I think ni one something napigiwa, so nilikuwa nawaambia ni like 1:10 before nipigiwe simu, so ndo nimemaliza kuongea na simu. So I want to go to Naivas, ndio nimetoka hii place, so natembea niende tu Naivas pole. There is no need ya kupanda mara tena, ni hapa. Yeah, so I'm supposed to get mayonnaise and vinegar. Yeah, nimetumwa na mtu, so see you in Naivas because hata simu yangu iko karibu kuzima, so yeah, twendeni. Good evening, good afternoon guys. So today is on Monday. Ndio nilishatoka shule. It's around I think 2 p.m. Yeah, so ndo nimedecide kuongelesha before I finish editing the vlog na upload vlog kesho. Siku hizi I think nimechange dates, so nitakuwa nikiupload on Tuesdays, but not really, nitajua. Anyways, I just wanted to say hi to you guys and let you know that Time alirudi, but I've not been vlogging since Saturday. Kwanza jana kulikuwa kunanyesha, kulishinda kumenyesha. Mvua imeisha leo, but ilianza like jana. After hiyo video mmeona nilikuwa na best yangu kwenda kufungua kwao. So yeah, the only thing I wanted to say is see you in the next vlog. I think I'll be closing the vlog here right now today. So yeah, until next time, bye guys.